Thank you. Thank you. What have you done? How could you eat someone else's provision without permission? Salam, and good afternoon to you, sir. May I speak to the owner of this garden?
I am the owner of the garden. May I help you?
Sorry to bother you, sir. I am not from around here, and
I can see you are not from around here. You look exhausted. Please, do, come in.
Oh, no. No need. I don't want to take too much of your time.
No, please, come in. Come in.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Please, sit. Would you like something to eat?
Oh, thank you very much. That's too much. You shouldn't have.
You are my guest. We honor our guests.
I appreciate your generosity.
Please, help yourself.
Actually, this is why I am here. I have been traveling for several days, and I was very hungry when I saw your garden. And without realizing, I took this fruit, and I started eating it until I realized it was not mine. It may not be a big deal to you, but to me it is. I came here seeking your forgiveness.
Okay. I will forgive you.
Really? Thank you.
I will forgive you with one condition.
Sure, no problem. Anything. What is your condition?
I will only forgive you if you marry my daughter.
Did you say marry your daughter?
You heard right. Wait. I want you to know something about my daughter. Please, have some fruits. You see, she is blind.
She is blind?
Wait. I am not done yet. She is deaf, mute, and crippled. I understand you might need to think about this. I have a guest room in the back. You should rest. I think you need it. Please, get some rest.
Thank God.
Oh, ثابت, you are still here.
Mr. Jafar, this is the hardest decision I've ever had to make. I can't believe that you are making me marry your daughter because I ate half a fruit. You have to understand that I can't allow a piece of fruit to destroy all my dreams.
You did not have to tell me all this. You could have just left.
But I would rather serve your daughter for the rest of my life than live with a sin over my shoulder. Sir, I agreed to marry your daughter.
Great! Just in time. Everyone is waiting for you. Please, please, come on in.
Please repeat after me. I, ثابت Norman, agree to marry Jafar's daughter.
I, ثابت Norman, agree to marry Jafar's daughter.
My son, please, look.
Oh, never mind. She can't hear anyways. I am sorry. I apologize.
Wait, Tabit. You are in the right room.
No. It can't be. My wife is blind.
And deaf, crippled, and mute?
Yes. Where is she?
So he walks inside the house. He sees a beautiful girl. And she comes up to him. And he's just astonished. He's amazed. He's surprised. And he's looking at her. Dumbfounded. Flabbergasted. Subhanallah al-Azim. And she said to him, are you surprised? He said, yes. He said, your father has said that you're blind, deaf, dumb, and disabled. She said to him, my father has been looking for a spouse for me for a long time. He's been looking for a husband for me for a long time. And when he saw that you're fearful of Allah because of the apple that you've eaten, he knew that you are the right person for me. And she said to him, yes, I am blind from looking at haram. And I am deaf from hearing haram. And I am dumb from speaking ill haram. And I am disabled to walk to haram. I am disabled to walk to haram. Subhanallah. And guess what? They were married. And guess who their son was? Their son is one of the greatest A'imma rahmatullahi alayh. His name is Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayh.